Hi guys and girls, welcome back to another installment of All Those Presets. Today I want to show you all the modulator presets in the SQ series. I made a video on reverbs, all reverb presets and all delay presets. So today we have our third installment of all those presets, and this is the modulators. There are basically 5 different modulator kinds in the SQ. This is the ADT, the automatic doubling ADT automatic doubling tracker, which is a mixture of a delay and chorusing and different stereo widener stuff. And there is a normal chorus, and there is the symphonic chorus, there's a flanger and a phaser. So those are the five types. I hope you like it. I've taken an electric 70s type piano sound and switched the preset on and off on some of the audio examples. I hope take your headphones out, important, and now you can enjoy it. Have fun. Okay, here we go. Let's try out the piano, the electric piano sample with some of the modulators, and I'll just click through the library. You can always see on which preset we are in this little box. Right now it is ADT, the automatic double tracking unit. 2-track Vox is the first preset. I'll step through the presets and I hope you can hear clearly what is going on right here. Have fun! Okay, guys and girls, there you have it. Those are all the presets of the SQ5 mixes, or SQ5, the SQ mixes series modulators. So, as I said before, I've done all the delays and all the reverbs. If you haven't seen those videos, please do. I tried to do all the other presets as well in the future videos. So, just like the subharmonic enhancer, the de-esser stuff is maybe not so exciting, but it's good to have it, especially in a live situation. Let me know if you want to see some other videos with other content. Let me know if you want to know more about setting up effects in series, in parallel, or something like that. And until then, stay safe and see you next time. Bye bye.